My name is Mark Rostropov, and this is my CS50R final project, Animath. My GitHub username is CoderMassive, and my edX username is SyntaxError. I'm in Los Angeles, in California, and I'm recording this video on November 11th, 2025. So first, what is this package? So Animath is an art package that allows for animated graphics through mathematical functions. On the right is a sample output from these functions. So there are three functions. The first is readFile, which reads from a text file that contains the mathematical equations. Then there's getImage, which gets a single frame using the functions, and then createAnimation, which uses a range of t values to create them. T is a parameter that is used in the functions to be able to make them animate. So for the first function is readFile. So the input parameters for this function are the input file path, and the output is a list of equations that can be used by the other functions. For example, so an input text file could be x squared plus y squared is greater than or equal to 1. This is just the region of like a unit circle, and then outside that circle. And then there's also y is tx. This is just like a line that just rotates because t is from a range of values. So over time in the animation, the slope is going to increase. Then there's getImage. So the input parameters are the resolution, the list of equations, the t-value, and the x and y ranges of what's being plotted. And the output is a matrix that represents the image created. Finally, I have createAnimation. So this takes an equation list, the width and height of like the plot, then the animation speed, then the resolution of the image, then the range of t values that you're going to be plugging in, and then the output file name. And there's no returned output, it's just the GIF is just saved to the file name. Now onto a live demo. Alright, so I have my R console here. To the right, this is my input.animath. It's the text file of the input. So in order to do this, we first parse the equations using readFile. Then you can take a look at the equations. Then we can also test out our getImage. So we pass in the resolution for our equations. And the rest of the parameters have default values set, so we're just going to do that. Then we can print the image. Can't really see much of what it looks like, but this is the matrix of the image. And then finally, we can create the animation. Alright, now it is done. We can take a look at the generated output.gif. And here it is. And thank you for watching.